What's up guys, this is Beyblade here, and we're here today to unbox Evipero, and I also have Wide Run W3 and Horsey H2. If you're wondering why I have these three bays here, it was actually my birthday yesterday and I celebrated it around 1, so it was really cool. Some of my friends got me some of these bays. As you know, I already have Horsey H2, which I didn't post unboxing for that. I did unboxing that for last summer, but it never got out to YouTube. But for today, we are going to unbox Evipero, and yeah, Live Run will be in the next video. I might give away Warsuit H2, so look out for that future giveaway. So let's get with Evipero, and let me adjust the light here. I want it to glare. Okay. So Evipero, it is a defense type. It has wing needle, and this is actually a rare bay into Tomu, so that's pretty cool. I don't have this yet, so. Single layer, you know, I'm not the biggest fan of single layer, but I heard it's pretty good. I kind of like the dual layer version a lot better though. I feel like it's a better design. But they're saying Evipero's a dragon. It kind of looks like a snake to me. Okay, so you know, they really put tape on their bays now. So poster, I haven't unboxed a dual. Maybe unboxing. I'm gonna say season 1 Beyblade burst in a while. So poster, I already had that in my wall. Instructions, bunch of those. Ripcord, you know I love the basic. I'm a big fan of the ripcord, so that's out of the way. And part where you can kind of cut stuff. So I'm gonna get my blue scissors here and cut that out. So we got your standard blue launcher, which is not too bad. It's really underrated launcher. And let's cut this out. And the needle. Finally got a Hasbro needle. Her needle's pretty good. So it's basically like the tip from the Scorpio. So let's start out with the needle. So this is needle, guys. Really nice. I have this part from what is it called? Unicorn. And here is a wing. I have a bunch of these. Nothing too special. Looks like it's the same Tomu mold, because I know the earlier mold had like only 2 stars. And we got Evipero, which is actually a very nice blend of colors here. You know, you got the green, silver, black, and you got the pinkish reddish base color. And it's just a really cool layer. I really like it. And I'm not a big fan of single layers, but Evipero just looks nice in general. And here is the code if you guys want it. Here you go, take it in 3, 2, 1. And yep. Oh, you see it's a lot more pink here. And the slides, we'll check them right now. Oh wow, it's kind of loose actually. So here we go. Sorry if you guys are hearing some background noises. My brother's doing some laundry, so yeah, it's kind of loose. I thought it was tight. Well, when you put it on, it kind of has that tightness, like right here. See, just when it's down to its final side, it's kind of tight. But that is it. It's kind of loose at the end of the layer, but I don't know how this will do. It's a defense type, so this is Evipero. And I think the name of this is Evil Eye, which I actually prefer over Evipero. It's such a weird name. So let's go test this in the stadium. Alright, now we are going to spin test Evipero. So let's start it. 3, 2, 1, let's go. And it's very... Needle is not as aggressive, I guess. That's kind of weird. Yeah, it's really weird. Usually a unicorn, when I launch this, when I launch this, it's a lot. I guess the Tomu version is a lot more aggressive, or maybe it's just like that. I don't know. Maybe that's easy better launcher. So now let's test it. So the first test will be against Valtryek basic layer. Oh god. I had this on left spin. The evolution launchers, really good launchers if you guys are looking for a launcher for cheap. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Oh my gosh. The Excel, I forgot to clean the bottom of it, so man, it's not gonna be. Oh. So here we go. We got some action right here. Evipero really good at it, and it manages to burst Valtryek. That was so unexpected right there. So it does get the burst finish against Valtryek. So let's check the slides on it, and it has 1.5 slides. So that is very good for Evi. No, not 1.5. It's like a half slide kind of. Evipero, very good defensive counter. So now we're gonna test it against Excalibur, one of my favorite basic layers. All right. 3, 2, 1, and 3, 2, 1. Oh my god! Wow, Evipero has some strong defense right there. I might have to put this in like a really top tier combo with like maybe Gravity Revolve. That is great by Evipero. Great defense. It had to burst because I know Excalibur puts them hard, and it is not even close to bursting. Look how great Hazard slides are. It's kind of loose too, that's the thing. So now the final test will be against Genesis Valtryek, and I have the single top version, special edition. So I wish I had the anime version, but this is a new kick. Not it. So let's see if Evipero can beat the likes of God Bay or Evolution Bay. Whoa! Evipero, so surprising. He even got like a half slide on Valtryek. That is really surprising, guys. So that is the end of this video. Evipero is really impressive, guys. The single layer is really impressive. Maybe with some like Orbit or Atomic. I'm about to box some Wide Bron next, the God Layer version of that, or Evolution. Man, can you manage 4-gram Atomic on this? This is going to be great for defense combos. So this is the end of the video, and this is Artist Waiter 8 out. Peace.